With your anime eyes, widescreen in my sight. With your midnight hair, your moonlight skin, dancing to the music in this place. Keeping me honest, driving me crazy, making me nervous, making me happy. Spread like a rainbow in my stormy skies. I love the twilight in your anime eyes. Hey YouTube, Draco206 here, back with another unboxing. This will be my second unboxing, and this time I am going to do it right. Here's the box. I just got it yesterday. Got the time to do another video now that I have a few days off from work. So let's get started then. Okay. So these out of the way. Alright, what I got here is not really a rare series, but it's from Geneon. It's the second season of Rosen Maiden. I've been meaning to get this for some time now, and for me waiting too long, I had to pay a decent price for them for the single discs. Altogether it came to $51, I believe, with tax. But yeah, here's let's see, I believe this is volume, yeah, volume 1, I think, pretty sure. Sorry, this is volume 2 right here. This is, excuse me, volume 3 right here. Episodes 9 through 12. And this is volume 1. Let's open the other one here. This is the one that I had to buy used because this would be volume 2 right here. I had to buy this used because for new they wanted a hefty price for it for some reason. So I had to buy it used, and in the description he said he watched it once and that was it. So we'll see. And here it is. This is episode 5 through 8. And there's the disc inside. it looks good. Can't complain. Looks like it's in good condition. Yeah. But yeah, here's that's season 2 of Rose and Maiden that I have now completed. Which I apologize for that because I went downstairs and I have a lot of things packed away because before I got my shelves, I had to store things away, and because the footstool wasn't holding my collection, so I did not show you 2 series that I owned, so I will show you those right now. Here's volume 1 of Rose and Maiden that I had stored away, and now that I have room I can put it on the shelf. But this is volume 1. And this episodes 1 through 4. Here's volume 2. This is episodes 5 through 8. And here's volume 3. Sorry, this is volume 1. I apologize. This is 1 through 4, and this was volume 3. I'm sorry about that, guys. And here's a series that I will not be able to finish unless I get the thin pack that they released, because this was on ADV's Films that was canceled, the series, along with many more. But yeah, here's if I can get it in, just the camera here. So this is Tokyo Majin. I was collecting the box when it was coming out. And here's the back. And unfortunately, as you could see, they lacked 3 more discs. They stopped on volume 3. So this is a collection that will not be finished, which is sad. This is a good series. But I'll show you the disc. Here's volume 1. Volume 2. And lastly, volume 3. But yeah, sadly I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I will keep it, but I really don't want to work out some more money for the same series that they just decided to release in a thin pack. So I did get the opportunity to finish this series, and I enjoyed it. It was a good series. Just And it's too bad that they're not going to be able to finish this box. So, yeah. As for other things, some recent updates. I was looking for some DVD covers for Black Lagoon seasons 1 through 2, and I had no luck in finding them. I bought the collections, both of them, separately, and they came with a tin case, which I'll show you later in an update. But yeah, I couldn't find them. I searched high and low for the individual cases, and no luck. Either I got rid of them, I'm not sure. But I do have the collection in the tin, so I'm happy with that. At least I didn't lose those. So, you know, what can you do? Further updates, I am going to try and get you that figure collection that I have. I'm hoping to do it this weekend, and get that on there so you guys can check that out. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate, comment. Appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys as soon as I can. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Later.